Hey everyone, check out the Rovinda Foldable Bluetooth Keyboard, a wireless, portable solution with a large touchpad perfect for travel. It supports dual-mode connection with 3 Bluetooth devices plus a 2.4G dongle, allowing seamless switching between up to 4 devices without lag within 33 feet. The enlarged touchpad offers precise, smooth cursor control with multi-gesture support and dedicated left and right click buttons for easy navigation. Designed for convenience, it features the latest Bluetooth 5.1, Type-C charging, and an impressive 560-hour standby battery life, folding compactly to fit in your pocket or bag. Silent keystrokes with an X-shaped scissor switch structure ensure comfortable, quiet typing ideal for any environment. Its sleek, durable gray design makes it a thoughtful gift for holidays or special occasions, combining style and practicality. Plus, it comes backed by a 1-year risk-free guarantee with 24-hour customer support for peace of mind. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.